This is it. This is it, everybody. This is kind of what we've been waiting for. Kind of teased it a little bit. But here's what we got going on. Flick. Where's the lights? Where's my lights? Get some lights going on up in here. Kind of kick back a little bit here. Here we go. 2015 Kenworth T680. Got some new seats up in here. Automatic. Look, it's even got the foot floor mats down there. Not bad. Let's check out this truck, what we got going on here. So it's a 2015. You know it's new. Look, in transit. I ain't even got no tags for this thing yet, man. That's how new it is. Well, new to me. But 2015 Kenworth T680. Got the Packard MX-13. Pretty good truck so far. I've driven exactly 4 miles. Monday morning will be an orientation. We'll talk about that here in a little while, but we got some, pretty good storage. We said just like the other one we had. We got the cubbies up here, cubby up here. We got a light here. You can turn on. Oh. All right, we got lights there. Got to get my CB in here. More cubby. Light. Another cubby. Automatic. Yep. Pretty much had the same thing as the other Kenworth I had. Your basic controls. Couple other things that's a little bit different about this one from the one that we had before. But you got your space up here. Obviously, you got the bunk up there. That's probably gonna stay up for a while. Got my TV mount down there. Got my table here. Got me a couple plugs. You know what's on the bottom. You know what's underneath. We'll talk about that in a minute. But the seats do swivel around. I just haven't done it yet. We got good storage up in here. Check this out. What's this? What? A refrigerator. Oh, it's not even on. Let's see here. Where's the switch at? Is that it? Boom. There she is. It's not the biggest fridge in the world, but if you can hear it, it's starting to kick on now. There we go. This one slides out. Little freezer action. Never had a refrigerator. Got your controls back here. Here's some light. Hold on a second. Lights. All right. Well, that may be too much light. But, yeah. Let's turn this off. Too much light. Check this out. This is new. What? APU? What's that all about? It's got different programs you can put on. Cool. Got the... Let's turn this off for a second. There we go. Got the... Alright. Got me an inverter going on. We got... Yeah, man. 2500 watt inverter. It's actually not the APU, EPU. Yeah, man. This is all, it's all new to me, man. All new. Still trying to figure it out, but yeah. New mattresses. Actually had a new windshield put in it, and see the tape down there. I got to get the I had to go down to the store and get some razor blades, scrape all that stuff off. So Monday morning orientation, we'll talk about that in another video, where we're going. But for right now, this is what we got going on, man. This is a huge step here. Excited about the future. Super excited. I don't even know what else to say, but let's go outside and check the rest of this thing out.